think this the gate is over there. Okay. Go in the jungle. Pasok kami ng Seven Falls. Dati hindi ganito eh. Pwede kaming mag-park, papasok doon sa may gate. Pero ngayon, malayo yung parking. Tapos sasakay ka ng shuttle. Tapos hatid ka dito sa gate. Then maglalakad ng about 1 mile, ha? Yeah.
Should have grabbed the banana.
Casey. Okay. Whew.
Nice little area.
Yeah. So, yun. So, lakad. After namin kanina, pumunta kami ng what you call that? Garden of the Gods. Tapos, mag-lunch. And, hi. Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that. It's so nice. Yeah. Dati, 10 years ago, huh?
Look, baby.
Just go like this and then,
Look, they put grass on the ground now.
yeah. And then, pwedeng mag-park doon. Ngayon, lakad na. Pero, nice naman siya. Nice maglakad. Hindi naman siya mainit. I mean, sunny, pero it's like 70s, the weather. Yeah.
So, our only goal today,
Here's the
guys,
adventurer.
our only
adventurer.
goal today, guys, is to
Yeah. Nag-vlog din
is
siya.
to see
Yan,
all
with her,
the seven
uh,
falls.
Kitty GoPro. It's a nice exercise.
You're gonna see what I see something in front
So
of you.
nature.
Except it's at the bottom, so.
Babe, you have to hold this one.
That's it.
Yeah.
As you can see, guys. Where's the first fall?
It's almost there.
So, Seven Falls.
We're almost there.
We walk
About a mile high.
about a mile from the gate.
After that, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get
So,
ice cream after this.
gutom na naman to. Bago lang kami nag-lunch. This morning, pumunta kami ng God's, God's, Garden of the Gods, and then lunch, and then ito walking another 1 mile walk. It's pretty nice.
Watch out!
Oh, di pala siya naka. Okay,
Remember that tree that you
look at that. Nakakalula. Yeah, real Christmas tree. This one. It's a real Christmas tree.
Hey, look, there's another one, but it's green.
Tingnan mo naman yung bato. Nakakalula. It is very nice. So,
It looks like
we've
we're
been here 10 years ago.
universe.
So,
You know what we used to call this one, Casey? The pillars are percolate. The pillars are
it's
percolate.
hot, but it's not that bad.
Uh,
There's the other one.
The seven?
It's good exercise. Walang shopping. Pag pumunta ka ng mall, siyempre, gastos dito, gastos doon. Pero ito, gastos pa rin. Pero, ano, yung entrance, ang babayaran mo. Dati wala kasing bayad dito eh. 10 years ago, nung pumunta kami dito. Ngayon, meron na siyang bayad. $51 sa tatlo. Okay. It's a nice really landscape. Ah, talaga naman.
I can see why they don't let
Alay lakad tayo dito ngayon.
It's just bad enough here.
Yeah. Ay. Walking pa rin, lakad-lakad pa rin. Walang katapusang lakad. Tapos na ito, gutom na naman. Kada. This is a really nice one. So ito na siya. Finally. Ito lang naman. Yan.
Where's the squirrel?
Yan. So may hagdan doon na sobrang tirik. I don't think so we can go over there. Just right here.
I want a popsicle.
Go ahead if you wanna go mountain elevate or okay, you can go there.
I'll find you.
Okay. We bought a popsicle for $5 each. It's a lot. But we're here to the mountain elevator. So there's like a cave here. See? Oh, we go inside now.
Oh, this one is pretty cool.
Yeah. It's cold. It's kind of cold area. And there's some. Okay.
This used to be a mining shack.
Look at that. It's we're in the cave, so may elevator doon sa dulo. It's cold, huh? Nice and cool.
Oh, and I'm getting actual. I want to get it.
Yeah.
Just buy one to get in here.
So, para kami nasa tunnel under this rocks. Okay. Pasok na kami. This is hard. Oops. How was it?
Good.
Take a few hats. $5. So expensive. So, yun nga, nandito na kami sa Seven Falls sa taas from dun sa cave. So, ito na nga. Ayan. Let's see. Kakalula. Ooh. Hey. So there's okay, here we go. Kung pupunta ka doon, mag-step ka na ko. Doon kami galing doon sa pinakababaan. Tingnan mo naman. Ay. Kakalula siya. So yung iba naghagdan. Ay, naman naghagdan sila. Sobrang tarik. Doon kami galing. Doon, yun may mga tao.
Vamos, chicas. Bajar no es tanto.
Ito yung ay, oh my gosh, it's scary. Parang hihigupin ka. Ayan. Yan yung falls. May tao pa po. Sobrang.
Let the photographer
Tingnan mo naman. Yan.
because I'm trying to get all that.
Sydney. Ay, ako.
¿Cuál trajiste?
Pwede. Pwede.
Go over to your bridge. And go to your left. Over here. Go over the. Feels good, huh?
That's just for today, guys. Bye.
Aha! Bringing it to the top. Right? The whole waterfall.